guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you guys how to get the subscribe and click the bell button video clip in your videos. Please click that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. First you're going to go into Fonto, then you're going to click the little camera button and you're going to go to plain images. From there you're going to appear here and you're going to click the white image. And then you're going to click on colors and this should come up. When you do that, you can customize every single part of this. You can have from pastels to neon. I went with this because it fit my theme. Then you're going to press the little numbers at the top and you're going to scroll all the way down to iPhone 8, 7, and 6S. You're going to choose 6S horizontally, which is right there, and it's going to say numbers underneath. And then you're going to go and click use and save. After you click use and save, you're going to press save and share, and then you're going to save that to your camera roll. Then now you're going to go and exit out of Fonto and go into iMovie. From there you're going to add the photo that you just saved, and you're going to go and create a movie. You can create how long or how short you want the movie to be. It's your choice. Everything is customizable. I went for 5.6 seconds because that's how long I wanted the subscribe button clip to be. And then you're going to go out and you're going to save it to your camera roll again. And it's going to ask you what quality, and I would choose HD 70p, and then it's going to export it to your photo library. Then you're going to go into an app called Pocket Video. There you're going to click start new project and click YouTube vlog. From there you're going to click the pink button and it's going to ask you for videos. You're going to click videos and you're going to choose the video that you just saved from iMovie. Then you're going to click video sticker and you're going to press add. Then you're going to find one of these subscribe green screen buttons, which is 6 seconds long. You can find these anywhere on YouTube if you just search it up and you screen record it and you crop it and everything like that. So from this on, you can do anything with it. You can customize it. You can zoom in, zoom out, make it smaller, make it bigger. Then, because it has this green screen behind, you're going to press mask and you're going to press green screen. Then the green screen will remove and you will have this transparent subscribe button icon. From there, you're going to click the yellow tick, and then you're going to click finish at the top. It's going to ask you for music and you're going to click no. Then you're going to wait for a few seconds and you're going to save the video to your camera roll. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please click that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!